10 Best Baler Tourist Spots by Alginismo Travel Enthusiast. Here are the best places to visit when you're in Baler. Number 1. Surf at Sabang Beach. Baler has become a popular surfing spot in the country. 2. Baler Church, San Luis Obispo Parish. Looks like a typical church, but it played an essential part in history. 3. Doña Aurora House. A replica of the original house of Doña Aurora. At 4. Baler Tree. A popular tourist attraction for its size and mystical feel. 5. Quezon Park. Locals have a lot of interesting stories about this park. 6. Museo de Baler. Displays photos, artifacts and painting of the rich culture of Baler. At 7. Dehusit Rock Formation. A stunning view of nature in the morning or sunset. 8. Dikasalarin Cove. A secluded piece of paradise a few kilometers from the town. 9. Ditumabo Falls. Also known as Mother Falls because of her size and majesty. And at 10. Ermita Hill. A stunning view of Baler Bay and Anyao Ilets. Book now. Visit these wonderful places in Aurora.